Hey, what's up, everybody? Yeah, you're going to hear a lot of talk about the crash and the recovery and the short squeezes and all that, and everyone's going to make their analysis. And Goldman Sachs is going to tell you that they told you this was going to happen, even though they told you to pile into the market. On December 26th, they wrote an article about how 2022 will be the greatest start to the year that many have seen in history. Also, just a gentle reminder that they told you that 2020 and 2021, and including 2023, back in April of 2020, Goldman Sachs also said that this market might be in turmoil for many years to come because of this pandemic. And we had the greatest rally of all time. So my point is, nobody knows shit except the VWAP. So this is the setup that I trade. There's the one line on my chart. The red lines are highs and lows from the candles when the market opened up. Here's your 6 p.m. open, and it was a doozy. Started off down about 365, managed to go down about 465, and then you bottomed out right here. Do you know it's the bottom? Absolutely not. But when it breaks VWAP, it gives you an opportunity to buy. So there's your first VWAP buy, and that's your first VWAP trade of the entire futures session so far. 4 minutes in. So if you're a buyer here, right, at 13,755, what I do is I use the bottom of the candle as my first stop, and if I have more than one contract, I use prior lows. So the VWAP break candle itself, I use the low of the candle and the prior low. Does that mean it was going to work? Nope. But look what it did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for 9 minutes, this is where most traders get out of their positions because they figured they just top ticked it, or they chased it, or now it's not going up. The fear takes them over. But if you have a stop in, that's all you need to do to alleviate your fear, because no one's coming to your house to punch you in the face. No one's going to burn your house down. You have one contract with a stop. The worst thing that's going to happen is you're going to lose money. So in these 9 minutes, this is where most traders get out. Oh, I just bought it here and it was up. Oh, I should have sold it. Now it's going down. I better sell it. Oh, oh wait, it's holding. Oh wait, it's going back up and now it's going back down again. Oh, I better sell it. Oh my God, it's going even lower now. I better sell it. Oh no, now it's going back up. What do I do? Do I buy it back? Oh, I just sold it. I don't want to buy it back. And then they miss the move that they bought it over here 9 minutes ago for. So in these 9 minutes, generally everybody loses money because nobody has patience, nobody has discipline, nobody knows what they're doing. All right? That's why if you trade VWAP and you trade with a few stops on, and again, in this situation, it was one contract with one stop. One contract, one stop, and the contract now went up 100 points so far. So that's one contract. You're up 2 grand, risking, at the time you were risking, your entry point was 55. The bottom of the contract was 18. Let's round it off to 20. So 35 points you were risking. One contract, do the math. And here's where we're going to do. Considering this is a live trade right now, obviously I was hoping that it was going to break the 6 o'clock high. Now it's not. I don't let it break this midpoint right here. So you see this candle right here? This is my locked in price. I'm selling this contract at 1383. 1383.5. 1383 1.5. 1383 or 13,831.5. So if it breaks that price, I will get my trade executed. And if I don't, I will hopefully sell it up here. And if it breaks here, I'm not going to sell it till it gets here. And if it breaks here, I'm not going to sell it, because maybe we're green by the end of the day, because who the hell knows what's going to happen? That's the point. You trade while the market's open. You trade live. You live for the day. You trade for the day, and you'll live forever. There's nobody telling me what to do. There's nobody telling you what to do. Trade your own money. Go to cash. 100% cash. You want to put money back in the market? Make money in the market and take that money and put it into the market. That's called house money. So again, whether or not anybody wants to sit here and debate whether or not VWAP trades work. Here's another one already getting started. Gonna be up probably $2,000 on this trade, maybe more, because as it pulled back while we're doing this, it didn't break my price. So now if it breaks out from here and this next move gets me over this candle, that will be my new stop. So I raise my stop here with my target being here. And then if I get stopped out, who gives a shit? Because that's $2,000 on one contract. All right, come join me in the room. This is what I do every day. All we do is make money. It's free until you make money. And if you don't know how to make money trading VWAP, you may never, ever make money trading the stock market. It's a fact that some of us have to face. But if you can't grasp VWAP trading with one line on your chart, there's no possible way you'll ever make money trading. It's the easiest way to trade any time frame, any environment, any product. And I'm not talking about worthless piece of shit crypto NFT bullshit. I'm talking about real stocks in a real market.